Okay, so today's project is from Sephora. It's a girl named McKenzi. She's apparently a beauty junkie. Should we just jump in and watch it?
Go.
Yeah, let's just do this. Yep. Okay.
Hey guys, McKenzi here. What I'm about to show you will definitely shock your eyes. Makeup over there, stuff under there, makeup in here.
Wait, the spacing is really small.
It's a bathroom. I don't even know if 3 people can be in there.
Makeup has always been such a dream and passion of mine. My mom used to do my makeup when I was in competitions all the time.
Is she a dancer? What is she talking about?
You could be gymnast, cheerleader.
I need help getting organized. So please help me.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
I don't feel too overwhelmed with McKenzi. I think it's obviously cluttered. I'm fully down to get in there and make some magic happen.
Let's go meet her. I'm ready. Today, I think we should really focus on doing a really thorough edit. And listen, it's not meant to be like so ruthless where like you're gonna have anxiety attacks in the middle of the night. Like
I don't want to say I'm a hoarder, but I feel like I am. Like when you see everything, you're gonna be like, yeah. Okay.
So we could have a whole new McKenzi at the end of this. Okay, should we go see it?
Yeah. Let's do it. Okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay, so this is something.
So it's a lot.
Wow, this is a lot of product, McKenzi.
Girl, you got the makeup Leaning Tower of Pisa here. Like,
yeah,
he's like ready to go.
Can I check in here? What's in here?
There's a It's just a lot of
Oh
stuff.
my goodness.
You're gonna get rid of some stuff. Too.
Yeah, we have to.
And it's gonna be okay.
To jump in, I'm gonna help you with the edit. Bryce and Sophia are gonna separate everything into categories. Are you ready to do this?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes.
Okay.
Maybe a little longer. But...
Let's go.
Oh God, God. Okay, Sophia.
Hold on.
Yeah. You wanna take 5 deep breaths?
My breath smells.
Yeah, me too. You lean that way, I'll lean this.
I think today might be baby steps for you. Are you, I mean, it sounds like you're really creative, right?
Yes. I do music and social media and acting.
Oh, really?
And dancing.
Do you do it for social media or
Yes.
are you like an actual dancer?
I grew up backup dancing for artists.
Wait, this is so cool.
Ladies.
Wait, are you bringing this down here?
Yeah, we're bringing
I'm
something
like,
down.
so real.
The room is just like so insanely tight. So we've decided that Bryce is gonna come down here and help you edit to be the cutthroat one, and then I'm gonna go up there and set a game plan for everything.
Okay, I use this analogy with everybody. Think about like if you were asking your mom like, hey, I just booked a music gig, like I'm about to leave the house in an hour. What are you telling her are like your tried and true toiletries that you need? And if like I'm holding this up and you're like, Caitlin, like I do love this product, but like this is not in like even my top like 20, 15, 10, this will help you. She's so scared. We're just gonna start with what we're getting dumped out.
There's just like a lot of unopened things.
Do you know that makeup has an expiration date?
No. Not at all.
Okay, I feel like young grasshopper. The tricky part is that it'll give it to you in months. So you kind of have to like backtrack and think about when you bought it. See, it says like 12M.
Wait, that's what that meant?
Yes, imagine you're getting ready for your performance and you're like putting on expired makeup and then you have like a flare up and you can't even go on stage. It's like, was it worth it? No, probably not. What do we think?
I'd probably say giveaway.
Giveaway?
Friends, yeah.
Okay. Good job.
That's vibes, yeah.
Okay, I like this color.
You like this color?
Yeah.
This will be a keep and this is a lip liner. Keep. You mentioned dating. Are you dating now?
I want to know all about it.
I got
Complicated?
broken up with.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Boys are liar liars, hence the song that I'm coming out with. It's called Liar Liars.
Wait, stop.
Period. How long were you together?
Over a year officially.
That's a long ass time.
This is broken. This is your ex.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Sophia, we have like 10 more of these type of bins downstairs that are full with like hair.
10 more? I'm joking. Holy shit!
Don't even play with me like
That's
that.
so wrong.
Sophia's the scariest person. I can't even.
I'm like in war.
I'm putting this down.
I'm in makeup war.
You guys are good.
I can't talk right now. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job.
McKenzi, Sophia's like grinding out there right now. We just have this fun idea. When all's said and done, we should perform like a little dance number for her.
I think it has to be like one of yours.
Okay,
Ooh, do you have anything in mind?
I-
Are we putting you on
I
the
do.
spot? Okay,
I
you
do.
Wait.
Beginning again.
Boy, bye.
Okay.
I think you guys are ready to show Sophia.
Are you nervous?
Damn.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Oh, my
babe.
God, it's labeled.
Yeah, babe.
Oh, my God.
It's like literally a different bathroom.
No, it actually is.
Not only do you have everything labeled, but you have extra space. It is a double tiered, so you can put stuff underneath
If need be.
if need be.
Open that.
This is insane to me. I don't know how she did this.
Oh, my God.
I know. She's like a sorcerer.
Oh, my God.
I basically put in these little containers so these aren't always flying around because that drives me nuts. I found every single loose hair tie.
I feel like my mom's yelling at me.
Every
She's like,
single
I
hair
went
tie.
to your room.
Oh, wait, there's more. These are all of your curlers,
Yep, I got a lot of those.
all of your brushes, and then in the back here, you have your wavers. So these just all stack up. All of your skincare is down here, and it's all labeled. So it just fits so nicely and
Wow.
perfectly. We came, we saw, we organized.
Yes.
Wow.
XOXO.
XOXO. We do have a little surprise downstairs, so would you like to come follow me downstairs?
Let's all go downstairs because we also have something for you.
Oh.
You see a little something over here?
Sephora bag.
Okay, wait.
Why do you think I left some drawers?
I felt like you are such a hair girl. You were like
am a
not
hair
wanting to
girly.
get rid of any of your hair stuff, and of course your nails.
am a hair
I
girly.
mean, so you got some nails in here. This is actually, I feel like this would be so good for your show this weekend. It's a glitter dry shampoo.
Yes.
Isn't this
I'm
insane?
such a dry shampoo girly too.
Same.
And it'll all go in the
Yeah.
labeled places.
Exactly.
Yes.
Like,
This
put
would be
it
a
in
test for
labeled
you.
places.
And then should we tell Sophia?
Oh yeah,
Should
what's my
we show
surprise?
Sophia her surprise?
Y'all know it? Okay. 5, 6, 7. Boy, bye.
Bye.
That's what we were working on.
Time out. I was organized.
Take off the
Who
hat.
do you
The hat.
think I am? It's time to go. It's time to go.
It was so fun to work with you. Have such a great performance this weekend.
Thanks.
We're gonna get out of your house.
I gotta go do that
We gotta
right now.
go.
Bye.
Bye.